guys, thanks for clicking on this video, and today I'll be showing you how I got this 2-drawer end table from Facebook Marketplace for $8 and flipped it for $45. If you like the video, subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. So what you're looking at right here is the original listing price of the end table that I got for $8. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of footage of me prepping the end table since I did this a few months ago, but I ended up using a paint product called Beyond Paint. I put 3 to 4 coats on the table. Here are some pictures of what it looks like. Now, I actually got sidetracked with a couple more other projects. Those projects are on the channel. I got involved in a couple dressers and whatnot. Definitely check those videos out if you're interested in seeing some dresser overhauls. I ended up sanding the top down a little bit and filling in some of the big gouges and small dents and cracks that I found up on top that I originally just painted over because I wanted to do a little bit more of a thorough job. So here is some footage of me sanding that piece down on top. After I was finished, I brought the piece back inside to my basement where I conduct all of my projects, and I gave it a thorough cleaning using the spray called Method Cleaner. You can find it at Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, and I got this bottle for $4. Took the existing handles that came on it, give it a nice thorough cleaning, and then afterwards I hit it with some Ace Hardware spray paint that I got that costed me $7. I used it on another project. I used it on this dresser that I recently refinished. Really like the gold color. It goes nicely with the Beyond Paint pewter blue color that I've been using on a couple of my recent flips. After that, I gave the piece, the whole thing, another thorough wipe down, and then I installed the new hardware. I did end up repainting the top and then both of the sides, and then I did a lot of touching up with the paintbrush. What's cool about using Beyond Paint is the application process. It instructs you to roll it on with a roller, and then to get in the cracks and corners and just the hard to reach places, use a paintbrush, and it instructs you to dab it on. The idea is to push the paint into those cracks and crevices that the roller otherwise cannot reach. So later that day, when I was all finished, I let the paint dry and really cure onto the piece. The Beyond Paint bottle recommends to leave it sit out for 24 hours, and then it takes, I believe, almost a week for it to fully cure. So I let it cure for the rest of the night, and then I ended up taking pictures of it just to see if I'd get any bites on Marketplace, and surely enough, I had an offer two or 3 days later for $45. So I went from an $8 end table to $45, and I poured just a little bit of supplies and material into it, such as the hardware spray was $7, the cleaner was $4, and then the Beyond Paint that I used is actually $45 for the quart of paint, but I have used that on, I want to say, 7 or 8 other pieces, so I definitely got my money's worth out of that along with my other supplies. Here are the end results. Let me know down below what you think about the before and after, and if you're gonna do something like this to one of your end tables. Hope you liked the video and you subscribe for more, because there's a lot more where that came from. Thanks a lot, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.